dito?
Teka, huwag mo sabihin hindi mo alam. O sige, sumama ka sa akin. Halor, ano ka ba? Hindi mo ba alam? Alam mo, every summer inaabangan tong camp. Kasi yung games, yung banda, pati yung lugar, panalo pare. Ano, hindi ka pa rin naniniwala? Panoorin mo to ah.
I think we're going somewhere. We're onto something good here. Out of mind, out of state. Trying to keep my head on straight. I think we're going somewhere. We're onto something good here. There's only one thing left to do. Drop all I have and go with you. Somewhere back there, I left my worries all behind. My problems fell out of the back of my mind. We're going in, I'm never knowing where we're going to go back.
Wow! Ang saya-saya niyo pala dyan.
Hindi lang yan. Gusto pa makakita ng marami? Tignan mo to.
Was would just be wrong. I'm pressing on, pressing on. All my distress is going, going, gone. Pressing on. And I won't sit back and take this anymore. 'Cause I'm done with that. I've got one foot out the door. And to go back where I was would just be wrong. I'm pressing on. I think we're going somewhere. We're onto something good here. Out of mind.
Teka. Sama ako dyan. Ano ba gagawin ko?
Simple lang. Kailangan mo na mag-fill up ng registration form. Pati parents permit. At tapos, isubmit mo. Parang ganito. Name, address, and contact number.
Ha? Ganun lang pala kadali?
Ano? Sasama ka ba? Kumuha ka na ng registration form mo.
Oo naman, oh. Sasama rin ako. Kayo, sasama ba kayo?
Kaya kumuha na rin kayo ng registration form nyo.
Tara!
Tara na!
Sama na!